So good day guys, as you all know, I'm trying to create a video for some of you guys that don't know how to use Revit. So first of all, what you need to do is locate your Revit on your desktop and launch it. As you can see, I've already launched mine. It's here. So once you've done that, for those with the lower version like Revit 15, 16, 17 to 18, what you need to do is you are going to select the architectural templates, and for those using Revit 21 and Revit 20, you will search for metric templates, yeah, and select it. So for this, in this case, I'm going to go to new. Under template file, I will choose my metric architectural templates and press OK. So as you can see, it's loading. The reason why it's taking time is because of this screen recording I'm doing. If not for that, it's actually quite fast. So once you're here, the first thing you need to do is set your levels. In some cases, you might not see your project browser and your properties, for example like this. So you navigate to view at the extreme top of your Revit view and look for user interface at the far right hand side. As you can see, this is it. Click it and look for project browser 1 and your properties 2. So you put them in place, either like this or like this. So once you've done that, the next step is to set your levels. You navigate to your properties, to your project browser. Under elevation, you either select east, north, south or west. So for this case, I'm selecting south. Double click. Yes, so this is the default levels your Revit normally gives you. So now let's head on to set our levels. So now let's set our hardcore to be 450 or 300. So you double click on this 4000, 1, 2, and change it to 300. Click enter. So as you can see, the both level 1 and level 2 are joining together. So let's zoom out a little bit. Zoom out, Ctrl Z, click the level 2, unlock it, this padlock tool, unlock it, and then move it back and change the 4000 to 300 and click enter. As you can see, it's more organized this way. For next, let's create our DPC, which is 150. For that, there's a shortcut tool for level, which is LL. As you can see, it's already in the level, or you navigate far right hand side of your screen near level. There's a grid. You see there's a shortcut for grid, and there's a shortcut for a level. You click it, zoom out a bit, and type in 150 and press enter and drag it to the right hand side. The same way you are going to do for your your headroom height, LL. Go to the left hand side and type in, let's say, 3800 and click it. Now for our concrete fascia, which is 450, type in 450 and drag it to the right hand side. So now let's edit the levels to what you need. For level 2, let's give it our hardcore. Type in hardcore. Level 3, our DPC. level 4, double click. Let's give it our headroom, and for level 5 let's give it our concrete fascia. So once you've done that, let's head back to our level 1, which is the 0. Yeah, this, which is this level 1, 0. You should navigate to your right hand side of the Revit and look for level 1 under your project browser. As you can see, this is the project browser at the right hand side. Look for level 1, double click. Mind you, if you are selecting anything from the project browser, you need to double click, or else it won't do. Double click, 1, 2. Now we are at our level 1. Adjust this. So now what you need to do, after you've set your levels, everything, now you look for your wall tool, which is this under architecture, or you type in the shortcut to which is WA, as you can see, WA. So now let's create a simple 2-bedroom bungalow. So follow me. Before you do that, under your properties bar, you need to edit the headroom height, the top constraint and the base constraint. As you can see under the project browser, this is the constraints. Base constraint is level 1, which is good. Your top constraint, you see it's unconnected, so it's saying unconnected height. Click it and take it to your, I think, yeah, to your concrete fascia. Click it. As you can see, the overall height is 4,700. Now let's go on to create something meaningful. As you can see, let me first start by creating 2 bedrooms sharing a single toilet. Yeah, let's give it 4,000 by 4,300. Yeah, so this is a single bedroom. To offset the toilets, you can click the offset tool, which is OF. As you can see, OF, or look for it under the modify/place wall tool. You see, click it and type in the distance you want to offset for, let's say, our toilets, which will be here. So let's give it width of, let's say, 1.5 or 1.800. Click enter and offset it. We've offset our toilet. Now what's left for us is to offset our bedroom. Go back to your offset tool and type in 4,300. There. Now click escape twice. Escape. Now to join this wall to this wall, you can either click and drag, join it, or you can use your trim tool, which is TR, or this. As you can see, trim/extend to corner, which is TR. The shortcut term for it is TR. Click it, click the destination and click the wall, as you can see. Likewise for this place too, TR, click the destination, click it too. So now we have our 2 bedrooms sharing a single toilet. Now what's left for us is to create the boundary for this toilet and also the lobby, which you can do that by simply typing WA, that's the shortcut for your wall, and do this, or you can offset the distance you want, which is by typing OF or selecting the offset tool. Let's go and type in let's say 2,000. Since it's too small, let's give it 2.5. Yes, we have our toilet and our lobby linking both rooms with the toilet. As you can see, this wall, it's entering into this bedroom and this bedroom. So you can either click and and drag it back, as you can see, or you can use your trim slash extend single elements. Click it, select where you want the wall to come back to. This is the place, and select the wall. As you can see, select this and select this. That's all. So now we have our bedroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, our toilet, and our lobby. So now let's head on to create our kitchen and maybe our dining and a living room with an entrance porch. So type in your wall, WA. Let's say something like this. I know some of you will laugh, but I'm just trying to prove a point. So let's offset our living room, let's say 5 meters. And let's offset our kitchen, let's say 4 meters too. Oops. So this, let's go like this. Click, drag, use your trim extend, this, and join element, and delete this. Let's reduce this height, the width for this toilet. Let's give for the kitchen, let's give it 3.5 to have a sit out here, and maybe also, yeah, this living room, it's okay. Let's go, no, let's leave it like that. Your trim extend, click, this our sit out, this is our living room, and this is our entrance porch. So let's head on to connect this wall together with this wall. Trim, let's go. Let's create our arc for this and this. So to do that, you simply select the wall. Once you do that, you'll see these 3 objects, these 3 tools popping out. You see, so we are going to first use this wall opening. Click and then go on to create our openings, just like Baba Chris used to say, openings. Escape, zoom out, and do the same for your sit outs. Click, escape, click, one opening, click, escape, and do that for these 2. Escape. So as you can see, we have our entrance porch, our living room, our lobby linking both our 2 bedrooms and a toilet, and also our kitchen. So now let's head on to place our doors and windows. Go back to architecture, and under the architecture tab you can select your window or door, and the shortcut for window is WN, as you can see, or click it here, window. If you don't like this type of window, you can head on to load your family. Load, find your way to your components, look for windows. Yes, my windows. As you can see, I have different types of folders for the windows. So let's select casement windows and look for the type of window we want. Let's go with this. Double click to finish loading it. It's loading. before you place your window, you need to first edit it, and to do that, go back to your properties bar. As you can see, click edit type and duplicate it and change it to maybe bedroom window, or just change it to bedroom since we are already on window, and give it the height and width. So for our width, we are going with 1.2, and for our height, we are going with 1.8. Click OK and then place it. Place. Now for your toilet window, go back to edit, duplicate. Don't forget, always duplicate the components you are using. Duplicate and type in toilet. Click enter and change the figures to maybe 600 by 900. Click OK and place it. Okay, now edit again, edit type, duplicate. Now living room, click OK. Let's give it 15 by 15. 15 by 15. Click OK. Go to your living room and place it somewhere around here and here. Let's place only one because the door won't fit, so let's place two here. Now let's create, you see I forgot to create a store for this kitchen. Let's go back to our wall and create something small. Let me offset and change the wall to maybe 150. Click the wall, click this and look for maybe 150, or let's go with this 100 something. Now click on 500, then you use your trim extensible elements, then to create the same type of wall properties, and then do something like this and then trim it. Now let's go and copy the same window for our toilet to our store. Click the window, right click, create similar, and then place it there. As you can see, we have our toilets, we have our store. Now let's also copy the window for our living room to our kitchen. Right click, create similar, and place our window somewhere around here or here. Let's go with here, I think, or here, man. Let's go with here. Now we are through with our bedroom windows, and basically we are through with our windows. So now let's create this arc for this lobby. Click it, wall opening, click and drag. Okay, now let's load our door. The shortcut for door is DR, or go back to your architecture, door, and then load the type of door you want. Go back and look for doors. Let's go with single door, single leaf. Let's go with this. It's loading. So now before we place our door, we need to start placing for our toilets and store. So let's edit it to the desired specification. Look for height. As you can see, this is the height, it's 2.4. let's change it to 2.1, and the width to 750, and click enter. Okay, place it and then place it. Now let's go back to edit it again. Look for your height, 2.1 is there. For your width to 900, that's for our bedroom and kitchen. Sorry, I forgot to duplicate it, so you press your Ctrl Z, edit type, duplicate, and type in bedroom, bed, slash kitchen kits. Kun dai gane dai, da sa dai kuna ganewa. Yeah. Sorry, it's still not duplicating abun. Yawwa, edit, create similar, edit type, duplicate, bed slash kits. Okay, look for your width, change it to 900. Okay, now let's place our doors. This. So now this at our entrance door, loading family, and let's look for double leaf. Yeah, double leaf. As you can see, there are so many different types. Let's go with this. Once it's finished loading, edit the type, that's the height and the width. Edit them to your desired specification, 21 by 1/8, and click enter and apply it. Okay, let's go here. So click it, click and drag, escape. If it's too small, click it and drag it back. So guys, this is basically how you create a 2-bedroom floor plan, starting from launching the revit, selecting your levels, giving your levels the name, and also editing your wall type, your windows type, your doors type, and the arc. Let's also select this, right click, click similar, and put it there. So this is our first lecture for this 2-bedroom bungalow. As you can see, this is what we'll be working on. As you can see. Thanks very much, guys. See you soon.